Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. I got a message yesterday from my buddy Tony Roberts in Nashville, and he said, have you ever seen this? And it blew me away because I didn't know this company ever made a model car. Now, some of you may have seen this before, but I thought it was just cool and very unique. Even checked Scalemates to see if they had a record of it, and I couldn't find it anyway. So let me share this with you.
Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.net.
Okay, I know you're going, what does this have to do with model cars? Well, just bear with me a minute and you'll see. Like myself, I'm sure many of you collected in the trading cards for baseball, and they even had some for NFL when I was growing up. And as kids, I collected along with my brothers some of the Topps and other brand of baseball cards. And they were, like they're called trading cards. Well, they came 5 to a pack usually, and they had a piece of bubble gum in there, powdered bubble gum in there that was hard as a brick, flat as a pancake. But hey, I remember them. Baseball card gum. It was pretty good stuff, actually. Well, anyway, over the years, we collected a number of baseball cards, Topps, the brand Topps being one of them. And, of course, they had all your big major league players and the big names and some of the lesser known. Sometimes you could collect the entire team, things like that. It was pretty cool. And these things go for big bucks even today. And if you're wondering, is this still a big thing? Absolutely. You see here, Topps is still around for 2024 seasons. And I remember some of my favorites I had were like Willie Mays, great ball player, one of my favorite pitchers of all times, Bob Gibson. The Cardinals have always been kind of my team. And just a great baseball player. And of course, the great Raleigh Fingers, who was a great pitcher, but I think he was better known for his handlebar mustache most of the time. Well, what I didn't know that Tony brought to my attention was, well, Topps in 1970 made a model car, and they made it in a variety of colors. This thing was an Indy car, sold for 10 cents, as you see. As I recall, it was only like maybe 12 or 14 parts. But guys, I didn't even know this existed. And as I said, I looked on Scalemates and I couldn't find anything in their records anyway. Here's a look at the sprue, the instructions, and then the sprue. And I found one of these on eBay for, I think it was $9.99 and $3 or $4 shipping. And I went ahead and scarfed it up. So when I get it in, I'm going to do a stash ad and a box opening, and we'll take a look at it because I'm curious of what type of plastic it's made out of. And some of you guys can put in the comments if you have one of these or had one. If it's styrene or if it's that old kind of acetate soft stuff like some of the old promos used to be made out of. But I'm kind of eager to get a look at this thing too. I think it's kind of cool, and it'll be a unique thing to add to the collection end anyway. And I don't do a whole lot of collecting, but I just thought this one was unique in that it was made by the Topps Baseball Card Company. So want to share that with you. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment again if you had one of these. I'd like to know. Take care, guys. We will see you in the next video. God bless.